CONMIX Limited is a Bukhatir Group company well established in the field of manufacture and supply of ready-mix concrete, pre-mixed plasters, paints, construction chemicals and water treatment solutions in the United Arab Emirates since 1975. The core business of CONMIX is ready-mix concrete. The company manufactures, designs and supplies high-performance durable ready-mix concrete for any applications and requirements. CONMIX has numerous computer-controlled batching plants in Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman and Ras Al Khaimah, providing prompt and smooth delivery of concrete to project sites. CONMIX was able to achieve the supply of 20,246 cubic meters of concrete continuously on 13 to 16 April 2017 for the construction of a new shopping center, Safari Mall in Sharjah, United Arab Emirates. 4 concrete plants, 133 transit mixers, 16 concrete mobile pumps and more than 230 CONMIX employees were working for this project day and night. The great teamwork and dedication of CONMIX employees working on this project resulted in breaking the Guinness World Record of largest continuous concrete pour.